Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to find the square root of a perfect square number within seconds. Step 1. Take any number, for example 11236. Step 2. For a number ending with 6, its square root either has to be 4 or 6. For example, 4 square is equal to 16 and 6 square is equal to 36. Now we cancel the last two digits. Perfect square that is closer and smaller to 112 is 100, which is 10 square. Therefore, the only two options are 104 and 106. We have to multiply 10, which is the square root of 100 with 11. So we get another digit which is 110. 11 is a digit which comes next after 10. Now we can take this 110 as y. 112 as x. Now let us look at three conditions. When x greater than or equal to y, then we take the larger number. So the larger number here is 106. And when x lesser than y, we take the smaller number. The smaller number here is 104. Here x is greater than y, so therefore we take the larger number in among 104 and 106. So here our answer is 106. The square root of 11236 is 106. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.